Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want to create backup versions of your work or experiment with different edits without affecting your original project. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll land on the Project Manager screen where all your projects are displayed. Now look towards the lower right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small home icon sitting there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon takes you back to the Project Manager view if you happen to be working inside a project already, ensuring you can see all your available projects clearly. Next, browse through your project library and locate the specific project you want to duplicate. Once you've found it, right-click directly on that project. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your project. You'll see choices like Open, Delete, and importantly for what we're doing today, Save As. From this menu, click on Save As. This is the key step that allows you to create a duplicate version of your project rather than just opening or renaming the original. After clicking Save As, a dialog box will appear prompting you to input a new name for your duplicated project. Type in whatever name makes sense for your workflow. Maybe you want to call it something like Project Name Version 2 or Project Name Backup. It's entirely up to you and how you organize your work. Now, if you need to change where this duplicated project will be saved, you can click on Change Location. This option is particularly handy if you want to store the duplicate on an external drive or in a different folder for better organization. Take a moment to navigate to your preferred save location if needed. Once you finalize the name and confirm the save location, click the Save button to proceed. At this point, DaVinci Resolve will begin processing your request and creating the duplicate project. Depending on the size and complexity of your project, along with the media files involved, this process might take a few moments. You'll likely see a progress indicator on your screen. Just be patient and let the software complete the duplication process without interruption. Once the save process finishes, your duplicated project will appear in your project manager alongside the original. You now have a complete copy that you can edit, modify, or experiment with freely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.